everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreya and I'm a psychic and a tarot reader. अगर आप ये वीडियो बाई चांस देख रहे हैं एंड अगर आप रिसेंटली माँ काली से कनेक्टेड है या फिर यू आर अ डिवोटी ऑफ माँ काली और you have seen her dreams or visited her temple recently, then this is your reading. Also, अगर recently आपने अपने किसी अथॉरिटेटिव फिगर के साथ झगड़ा किया है या फिर कोई बाउंड्री सेट की है या फिर समथिंग लाइक दैट, हाँ, इट कुड बी एनी वन, ओके, इट कुड बी योर फैमिली मेम्बर, टॉक्सिक पार्टनर, और या फिर कोई कलीग, इट कुड बी एनी पर्सन हु इज़ नॉट वेरी नाइस. दिस इज़ अ स्पेसिफिकली अ टॉक्सिक पर्सन जिसके साथ या फिर मल्टीपल पीपल जिसके साथ आपने बाउंड्रीज सेट की है. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आई एम चैनलिंग राइट नाउ इज लाइक दिस पर्सन इज नॉट फीलिंग वेरी वेल अबाउट इट. ठीक है, इट फील्स लाइक दैट यू कुड बी एन एम्पैथ. मे बी आपने डायरेक्टली बोला है डू नॉट प्रोजेक्ट योर insecurities on me. It could be like that, but I do not know what it is, but something you have done recently, it's not sitting well with them, but it is actually in your favor. आपने अपना बाउंड्री सेट करके अपने एक टॉक्सिक साइकिल को ख़त्म किया है decently. Like, you have ended it all and you have been enduring this for a long term. I feel like that, and it has been affecting your mental health and physical health very much. So you have finally set the boundary and you have walked away from the situation and you have done pretty well. So now the thing is कि ये आपके लाइफ में बहुत मेजरली अफेक्ट करने वाला है. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज़ नॉट जस्ट रैंडम. लाइक लुक एट दिस, सन का कार्ड है. ओके, आई कैन नॉट शो इट प्रॉपरली, बट या सन का कार्ड है बिकॉज दिस इज़ गोइंग टू ब्रिंग अ लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस इन योर लाइफ. एंड मुझे मैक्सिमम लोगों के लिए लग रहा है दिस इज़ सम सॉर्ट ऑफ विश फुलफिलमेंट. ओके, अगर आप कोई चीज़ बहुत दिनों से मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो आपको वो चीज़ मिलेगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप अपने करियर के लिए सोच रहे हैं, हाँ, anything, so you will get that. And if you're asking for a relationship, you will get that. So this is a big thing. Bottom of the deck is the Fool. Damn. So it's like you might be feeling a little guilty. For some people I feel like that मुझे ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, but वैसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, but you did a right thing. Okay, now for the other part of the collective जो ये देख रहे हैं, हाँ, एंड इफ़ यू सी लाइक यू हैव नॉट डन सच अ थिंग, हाँ, लाइक किसी के साथ झगड़ा नहीं किया है, बट यू हैव टेकन सम सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टैंड इन योर लाइफ, हाँ, रिलेटेड टू मे बी like for some people I can sense that you have done something for yourself. Like आपने कुछ changes लाए हैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में. For example, you have done something related to self development. ठीक है, it could be health related something. It could be like you have ended some toxic patterns in your life that was not being good for you, that was not making you grow. So that is also there. Okay, so for you also I feel like everyone, आप लोगों के लिए बस एक ही मैसेज आ रहा है, दैट इज़ यू नीड टू गेट अ लिटिल मोर फ्री. ठीक है, जस्ट हैव लिटिल मोर फ्रीडम, लाइक थोड़ा फ्री बनो. और आपने किसी के साथ तो बाउंड्री सेट किया है. इट कुड बी अ फ्रेंडशिप एज वेल. बाउंड्रीज इज द ओनली वर्ड दैट आई एम गेटिंग राइट नाउ. सो या, इट plays a biggest role. Your main card is going to be this for this reading. So related to justice, ठीक है, तो you have done something like that. Let's see. Okay. Oh damn. Oh my god. Okay, basically you are asked to now release all your fears and do work on your goal. Okay, whatever you are going to receive, 90% of the people, it's your career. 90%. Okay, this is also the year of sun, so I can strongly sense career. Damn, and you are going to be very successful in it. Okay, what else? Yeah, there will be people who will be very jealous of you. Okay, and it is very necessary for you to understand who these people are, क्योंकि यही सबसे बड़ा ब्लॉकेज होगा आपकी लाइफ में. ठीक है, that they will try to create blockage in your life and you need to figure out who they are and let them go. Like, let them go fully. See this King of Pentacles. इसका मतलब समझ रहे हैं, It's basically saying you that you are going to achieve it all, and not just achieve it, you are going to manage your life and career pretty well. You are going to do it, all of it. See this now. पैसा आने वाला है बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा आने वाला है आपको. Oh my god, this reading, I'm loving it. Now see this. King of Wands. You are just asked to just set your boundaries straight and do your work. You are divinely protected. Ma Kali is protecting you fiercely. This is very, very strongly channeled. Okay. High Priestess. My god, आपका intuition बढ़ने वाला है. I can sense like a lot of masculine energy here. Like 40% of you are men here, or have the sense of strong masculine energy. अगर आप फीमेल भी हो तो आपको शायद से स्ट्रॉन्ग मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी का प्रेजेंस फील होता होगा, या फिर आपके खुद में होता होगा. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कुड बी ऑल्सो अ डिवोटी ऑफ शिवा. ओके, दिस इज सो गुड, दिस एनर्जी. Three of Pentacles. You are going to build a community. Sorry for that, but yeah, you are going to do so much better. You can sense the way I am talking, it's so light. The energies are so good. You are doing so well. I can feel immense peace. There is immense peace in your life. You're going to do so much well in your life. You have literally no idea. द थिंग इज़, अभी चीज़ें थोड़ी स्लो लग रही होगी, एंड इट इज़ परफेक्टली ओके. ठीक है. जो चीज़ स्लो होती है ना, वही ज़्यादा टिकती है. ओके. सो वी डू नॉट वांट दैट ओवरनाइट ग्रोथ. ओके. नो राहु एनर्जी. वी वांट स्टेडी ग्रोथ जो टिके हमेशा. ठीक है. दैट इज़ द थिंग दैट विल हैपन दिस ईयर. ओके. यू नीड हार्ड वर्क. You need hard work and persistent, like have that consistency. Okay, like just do your thing, don't expect anything, and you will receive more than you could even think of. Let's see a directly channeled message for you from Ma Kali. Okay, I can see like she is really proud of you. Like, literally a lot. The card is Heaven. Find peace in the spaces you create. You are about to create a very safe space for you. You could move out, and the place where you will live, that place is going to be your safe space. Or you could be in a relationship as well. Okay. This is, I have no words anymore. I will pull another card. Familiar, your inner guide is always with you. You are very connected to your spirit guides. I have no words for this pile. I mean, for this collective. Amazing, amazing energy. Okay, this card came out of nowhere. I was about to take this. Is Page of Cups. You are going to feel very free. Okay, very, very free. You are going to do whatever you wanted to always. You are going to do you are going to continue your dreams. You are going to do the things that you always dreamt of. You are just in the right path. Perfect energy. This is like the most beautiful energy I can ever sense. Like, so good. आप समझ ही रहे होंगे, इतना अच्छा एनर्जी आ रहा है. सो या, ऑल्सो this year you are about to receive a lot. Okay, you have been consistent in your work. You have had that patience. You have done whatever it take, and you took the risk this time, and you stood up for yourself. And that stood up, it was not just random. ठीक है. आपने जो किया है ना, it makes a lot more easier for you to achieve what you want to, because you have been struggling a lot mentally. I feel like not in a way that you need professional help, but in a way that you have been holding a lot of emotions within yourself and आपने बस आप करते गए, आपने सोचा ही नहीं, आपको बहुत दुख हुआ बहुत सारी चीज़ों से, but you still did what you needed to do, and that's the best thing. Now माँ काली is rewarding you for that. You have done well, you have done excellent. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, new cycle beginning. हाँ, किसी किसी तो मुझे शादी भी लग रही है होने वाली है इस साल. And if you haven't met anyone yet, you will meet them and आपकी फ्री विल से होगा, ठीक है. It's not like आप आज ही मिलोगे, हाँ तो कल ही शादी हो जाएगी, नहीं. Like you will meet them, but it will be completely up to you that if you want to get married or not with this person, ठीक है. And for some of you, I feel like you will get married this year. अगर आप रिलेशनशिप में है तो समझिए आपका नेक्स्ट लेवल होने वाला है, उसमें यू आर गोइंग टू गेट मैरिड. फॉर द फीमेल्स आई फील लाइक यू आर गोइंग टू गेट प्रपोज्ड, या फिर आपका रिश्ता आने वाला है. इफ़ यू हैव द मैरिज इन योर लिस्ट, ओके, it's not going to be something unexpected. It's if you are having that thing in your mind, or if you will have this thing in your mind, you will get it. आप ये समझ लो कि you are going to have the glow up in every field of your life, not just physical looks के glow up. हाँ ठीक है, you will have a career glow up, you will have a relationship glow up, you will have a mindset glow up, and every sort of glow up you can think of, okay. And there will be times you will this time ना you are not going to question कि ये मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ, and you will just say that मेरे साथ पहले जो भी हुआ था, it is all worth it now, and I have done whatever it takes and I am happy now. So this is a big channeled message for you, and I hope you like this reading. And अगर आपको मेरे साथ पेड प्राइवेट रीडिंग कराना है तो आप प्लीज़ मुझे इंस्टाग्राम में कांटेक्ट करिए, डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं लिंक दे दूँगी, आप मुझे डीएम करिए, आपको रीच आउट किया जाएगा वहाँ से. थैंक यू सो मच, एंड इफ़ यू लाइक दिस रीडिंग प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. इट वुड बी वेरी हेल्पफुल. थैंक यू.